Hey, hi guys. We are super excited to launch this amazing feature for Brillo. Now this feature helps you allow to scrape any LinkedIn post and find out the active profiles from that particular post, those who have commented on the post and those who have liked that post. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out how this extension work. For this, you need to go to the website getbrillo.io. Then if you are a registered member, you just have to sign in, and if you are trying for the first time, you just have to click on this button. I'm already a registered member, so I'll click on sign in. Now over here, if you are a first time user, you'll see an option which says add Chrome extension. You just have to click over here. It will open up this screen and you can go ahead and download the Chrome extension. It will actually look like this on your Chrome. Now let's understand how this particular Chrome extension work. So as I said, this particular Chrome extension allows you to download any profile from the LinkedIn post. So let me just go to LinkedIn. Hey guys, here I'm on the profile of Philippa. Now she's one of my favorite content creator. Now I can see that there are a lot of people engages with Philippa, and I should also have this on my network. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and pick any LinkedIn post. So for example, this is the latest post that she has posted. I'm gonna go here and check that. If you see this, there are 119 people who have liked it, 74 people who have actually commented on it. So these are the people who are very active on LinkedIn. If you see Sadia, Sarah, these are all from marketing domain. If I just scroll down, it says Kaisen, he's also from a B2B domain. So I can see that there are a lot of people who are engaged with Philippa, and I should also have them in my network. Now what I need to do is I need to just click on this three dots and just click on copy link to this post, and I'm gonna click it here. Now I'll go to this particular extension and I'm gonna just paste this link and I say fetch. It will ask me that whether I wanted to extract likes or I wanted to extract the comments. Now if you see, it says 42 comments. The reason why it shows 42 comments is because there are a lot of comments where Philippa has also replied, so it will filter out those replies basically. So I say that okay, let me go ahead and fetch out all the comments, as well as I want people, those who have liked that post, and I'll simply says over here, it says Philippa. I'm gonna create a list and I'm gonna save this list. In the background, now it will start scraping this particular post and it will start getting all the details from this particular post. So here am I guys. I have actually saved this particular list and now I am on the Brillo. Here I will check that whether their import has been done or not. So on this particular dashboard, I'll go to a section called CRM. Under CRM, I have a list which is called as active user list. I'm going to click here. I've already imported few posts, but for now, let's concentrate on the Philippa one, which we just did. If you see, right now it shows 124 profiles. So that means it's gonna, it has actually fetched 124 profile here. Then I can go ahead and see a lot of profile here. If I want to filter this by connection, so I can go ahead and say that those who are my first degree connections. See, these are my first degree connections. I can click on load more. Okay, so only these are the first degree connections. There's one thing that you should do is, if you want to go ahead and extract more information about these profiles, you just need to click on in this LinkedIn icon and it will fetch this profile in detail. And then if in some time, if you get this issues, you just have to click on update profile. And here it is, all the information are here. If I just go ahead and click on here, it will show me that this is the profile, this is the virtual assistant, then how many number of followers she has. Let's check another profile. Let's check, for example, Talha. He's also a great content creator. So let's check his profile as well. And I click on this. Yes, if you see, this is basically the profile, and I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna see that, okay, grab the attention. So again, he's from the domain. If I have to again filter it out based on the engagements, I can go ahead and say that, okay, I need people who have only commented on this post. So these are the only people who have commented it. These are the people from marketing domain. Let me just find out that whom I want to connect. So I find out that there's a founder of a demand curve. I know this particular startup as well. So I want to connect with this particular founder, Neil. And let me just check his profile first. So company is Demand Curve Technology, co-founder, Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. There's a lot of detail about him. So I can use this particular detail as well. I can connect with him in two different manners. First, I can send the connection request from here, and it will say that, okay, you want to send the connection request to Neil without personalizing it. If I just want to send it, I'll click on send anyway, but in this case I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna click on cancel, and I'll say hi, and I'm use Neil found. So let me just write it down. I found your profile on Philippa's post and saw that you are active on LinkedIn. Since you are from, I want to use basically the industry as an icebreaker. Since you are from a technology, I want to delete this one, technology space. I love to connect with people who are active in technologies domain, right? I can just reduce it to 2, and here it is. I'm just correcting few information here, and then I say cheers Mayur, and I'm gonna send the connection request. Here it is. So I have sent the connection request to him. This way you can find out very active people over here and start sending them connection request. So that's a good way to build your profile, build your network with active connections.